Listen up, homeowners. Here's how to pick the best roofing repair company. First, check their credentials. Are they licensed and insured? This protects you from any mishaps. Next, read the reviews. A company with happy customers likely means happy roofs. Don't forget to ask about their experience. More years in the biz usually means more know-how. Another tip: get multiple quotes. This helps you compare prices and services. Finally, ask about warranties. A confident company will stand by their work. Remember, a great roof repair company keeps your home safe and sound. Choose wisely and keep those raindrops where they belong, outside. Hit that like button if you found this helpful.